Good morning all of you. Today we are going to start question number 2 of exercise 3.5. Question number 2, its first part is, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions? The given equation to you is, the first equation which is given to you is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. What we have done is, we have taken the 7 on the right hand side to the left hand side. When we are taking it to the left hand side, then we have to put negative sign. And the equation becomes 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Say this one as the first equation. According to this equation, a1 that is coefficient of x is 2. So value of a1 is 2. Now b1 it means the coefficient of y and it is 3. So b1 is 3. And the constant term in the first equation is minus 7. So c1 is minus 7. Now after this we are coming on the second equation which is given to us is a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. This is the constant term. What we will do is, we will take the whole constant term from right hand side to the left hand side. Here we have taken it. See, a minus bx it will remain as same. Then plus a plus by it will remain as same. This, the constant term which is on the right hand side, we have taken it to the left hand side. While we have taken it on the left side, we have to put this negative side before the whole term. That's why we have used here brackets. Before bracket, I have put here sign of minus is equal to 0. On right hand side, nothing is left, so we have to put 0. And say this one as second equation. Now according to second equation, a2 it means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in this case is a minus b. So value of a2 is a minus b. Now b2 that is coefficient of y. Y is a plus b. b2 its value is a plus b. And the constant term in the second equation, you have to take it along with the sign c2. It is minus before bracket 3a plus b minus 2. Now we have got the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. Now in question it is written that we have to find out value of a and b for which the equation of infinite numbers of solution. We all know that for infinite number of solution, the condition which we have to follow is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In place of a1, we'll put value of a1. a1 is 2. So here I have written 2. Now in place of a2, value of a2 is a minus b. So I have written here a minus b. Now value of b1, here value of b1 is 3. So in place of b1, I have written here 3. In place of b2's value is a plus b. So I have written here a plus b. Now in place of c1 it is given as minus 7. Value of c1 is minus 7. So I have written here minus 7 in place of c1. Value of c2 it is given as minus before the bracket, within bracket 3a plus b minus 2. So minus before the bracket, within bracket there is 3a plus b minus 2. Now if I have to find out value of a and b, it means two variables. I have to find out value of two variables. It means we need two equations. And for making two equations, what I have done is, first I have taken this 2a minus b, this with minus 7 upon minus 3 a plus b minus 2. These two I have taken together. 2 upon a minus b along with minus 7 upon minus 3 a plus b minus 2. This 3a plus b I have left it. Now we will simplify it, we will solve it. For solving, what I have to do is, this minus sign will be cancelled out on right hand side. And this 3a plus b minus 2 from the denominator of right hand side, it will get multiplied by 2. The whole term 3a plus b minus 2, when we are taking it to numerator of left hand side, it will get multiplied by 2. Here it is 2 multiplied by 3a plus b minus 2. And this a minus b, which is on the left hand side in denominator, when we are taking it to the right hand side, it will completely, the whole term will get multiplied by 7 is equal to 7a minus b. Now we'll further solve it. We'll open the bracket, 2 multiplied by 3, it is 6a. Then 2 multiplied by b, this is 2b. 2 multiplied by minus 2, it is minus 4. Now again we will open the bracket. 7 when get multiplied by a, it becomes 7a. Then again this 7 when get multiplied by b, it becomes 7b. As here it is negative sign, so we have to put this negative sign here. Now we will take all the terms on left hand side. 6a, it will remain as 7. When we have taken this 7a to left hand side, we have to put negative sign before 7a. This plus 2b, it is like this only. Then this minus 7b, it is taken to the left hand side. Then we have to put positive sign as the direction has been changed. Then minus 4 is equal to 0. We'll solve the terms having same variable now. 6a minus 7a, it is minus a, as 7 is a greater number before negative sign. Now 2b plus 7b, when we are going to add them, we are getting here 9b. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Again we are considering this as one equation, and according to this equation, as we are going to find out solution or value of a and b, we have to find out a1, b1, c1. Now for this equation, a1 is minus 1. Here there is negative sign, and before it there no number is written. It means this a is getting multiplied by 1 along with the sign minus 1. So value of a1 will be minus 1 here. Value of b1, it is 9. b1 is 9. And then value of the constant in the first equation is minus 4. So c1 is equal to minus 4. Now after this, we are taking these two equations together. That is 3 upon a plus b is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3a plus b. Now we are taking these two together and leaving this one. We will not take this 2 upon a minus b. When I have taken this 3a plus b is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3a plus b minus 2, I am getting this. 3a plus b is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3a plus b minus 2. Minus sign will be cancelled out. Let's see. Now see here, this 3 is getting multiplied by the term denominator of right hand side. The whole denominator will come in the numerator of left hand side, and it will get multiplied by 3. And the 7, it is getting multiplied by a plus b, which is written in the denominator of the left hand side. Now we'll open the bracket. This 3 will get multiplied by 3, it becomes 9a. Then again this 3 is getting multiplied by b, it becomes 3b. 3 is getting multiplied by 2, then it becomes minus 6 is equal to this 7, it is getting multiplied by a, 7a. Then this 7, it is getting multiplied by b, it becomes 7b. We will further solve it, or we are taking all the terms on the one side, 9a. Now this 7a from right hand side, when it is taken to the left hand side, we have to place here negative sign. The sign will change. You all know this. Then plus 3b, plus 3b. This plus 7b, it has taken to the left hand side, then it becomes minus 7b. And minus 6 is equal to 0. No term is left on right hand side, therefore it is 0. Now further we will solve it. 9a minus 7a. 9a minus 7a, it is equal to 2a. Now see here, 3b minus 7b. Minus 7b and plus 3b. One is negative, one is positive, so we have to find out the difference. And the difference is 4. And as 7 is greater with the negative sign, so we have to place here negative sign, minus 4b. And minus 6 is equal to 0. According to this equation, we will find out a2. a2, the coefficient of a, it is 2. Then b2, coefficient of b, it is minus 4. So b2 is equal to minus 4 in this case. And the constant term in here, in this equation, it is minus 6. So c2 is equal to minus 6. We all know this. A upon b in place of x. Here the variable is a. We don't have the variable x. Here the first variable is a. So I am writing here a. A upon, we all know, b1 by b1, b2, c1, c2. Now here the second variable in place of y, we have got here b. So I have written here b. Upon, we all know, c1, c2. This c1, c2, simply you have to write it here. There is no change. This c1, c2, you have to write down here. And then here it is a1, a2 is equal to 1 upon this a1, a2. Again you have to write the same thing here, a1, a2. and then here it is B1, B2. Now we'll put the values. A, as it is a variable, it will remain as same. Upon, in place of B1, we will write down 9 from equation 3. Then B2, it is minus 4 from equation 4. See here. Then again C1, it is from equation 1, its value is minus 4. And value of C2, it is minus 6 from equation 4. Now see here, this value of C1 minus 4, it is from third equation, and value of C2, it is minus 6, this one from fourth equation. This minus 4 minus 6, the same thing we have to write here, minus 4 minus 6. And then value of A1, it is minus 1 from third equation, and value of A2, it is 2 from fourth equation, you can see. Then is equal to 1 upon A1, A2. A1, you are getting it from equation 3. A1, its value is minus 1. Then A2. A2 you are getting from equation 4. It is 2. Then B1, you are getting it from equation 3. This is 9. And B2, it is minus 4 from equation 4. Here I have written from third and fourth we have used here. Now we will further solve it. This A will remain as such. This 9 will get multiplied by minus 6. 9 6 are, it is 54, along with the negative sign, minus 54. Now minus, we all know, here we have to place negative sign, negative sign. Minus 4 when get multiplied by minus 4, it is 16. This is 16. Now here see, this B, it will remain as same. Upon this minus 4, it is getting multiplied by 2. So it is minus 8 minus, then minus 6 multiplied by minus 1, it is 6 is equal to 1 upon. Minus 1 get multiplied by minus 4, it is 4. Minus 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. Then if we have to find out value of A, in case of that, what we have to do is, we'll take the first one with the third one. See how? For finding out value of A, we have to take this one and this one. We will not take this one. We'll take this term and these two terms together. For finding A upon minus 54 minus 16 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 18. Further we'll solve it, or A is equal to minus 54 minus 16. As both are negative, so we have to add them and we'll place negative sign before them. 54 plus 16, it is 70. Minus 70 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 18, it is minus 14. Now as we have to find out value of A, we have to keep it alone. When we try to keep it alone, we have to remove this minus 70 from the denominator. So if we want to remove this minus 70, we have to take it to numerator of right hand side. This minus 70, it will multiply with 1, and minus 70 when get multiplied by 1, it remains minus 70. It is written here, and A is now alone. Minus 70 divided by minus 14. Minus sign will be cancelled out. 14 ones are and 14 5s are 70. And then it is 5 by 1, and 5 by 1 it can be simply written as 5. So value of A is 5. Say this one is fifth equation. Now when we have to find out value of B. For finding out value of B, what we will do is we will take these two together. Or we can say that we will take these two together. We don't have to take the part with the variable A. We will take these two together. See here, B upon minus 8 minus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 18. We will solve it. B minus 8 minus 16, it is minus 14. 1 upon 4 minus 18, it is minus 14. Now again see here, as B is, we have to find out value of B, so we have to keep it alone. B is equal to, and this minus 14, we have taken it to the numerator of the right hand side. Here it is going minus 14 upon minus 14. Both minus sign will be cancelled out using table of 14. 14 ones are and 14 ones are 14. So 1 by 1, and this 1 by 1 can be written as 1. So from 5th, value of A is 5, and from 6th, value of B is 1. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to